MTN 8 is the hardest trophy to win in South African football. Yes, I said it. And you know that uzenza ngathi awazi just because Orlando Pirates has been winning this trophy for 4 years in a row. But MTN 8 is the hardest trophy to win in South African football. Why? Ngizokubekela ireason yokuqala ngqa ukuthi MTN 8 you have to qualify to play the MTN 8. Uyabona this season yobe iqalile. So uqalele ukuqualify le MTN 8 ya last season. So iqala the previous season ngo match day 1 after 30 games. The top 8 teams then qualify to play the MTN 8. You've already played 30 games plus 4 games that you play in the MTN 8, which is the quarterfinal, semi-final first leg, semi-final second leg, and the final. So you play 4 games to win the MTN 8 after playing 30 games of qualifying. And kumele ngikutshele iqiniso ukuthi go to other sports, go to rugby, go to cricket. If uzoyibuka ngalelo solelo le rugby ne cricket, akekho umuntu okwawina ileague kwi rugby wawina waba number 1 osothi usewinile, noma wawina waba number 1 kwathi usewina ileague kwi rugby na kwi cricket. No, whether it's Currie Cup, it's Vodacom Super Rugby, it's World Cup, any competition ekhona kwi rugby, yabo, any major competition ekhona kwi rugby idlalwa nge-group, whether it's 16 teams or 8 teams or how many teams involved, they play against each other in a round robin, ilokhuzana, group stage or league. Once yaphela league uthatha top 4 noma top 8 idlale, then it's the best of the best meeting each other to determine the ultimate winner. The best of the best, the strongest teams amongst the top 8 teams or among the top 4 best teams in that particular tournament. So I come from that school of thought because I do follow other sports as well. So you play against the strongest teams only. So secondly, Icarling knockout is easier to win than MTN 8. Why? Because Icarling knockout is seeded, it's seeded in a sense that it's the top 8 against the bottom 8. So iPirates and the Sundowns, the Chiefs, ngenzeka nje besuke bedlala neKruger iqala isizini, ngenzeka nje besuke bedlale neMilford iqala isizini, ngenzeka besuke bedlala eThibevika iZembe iqala isizini, because it's top 8 against bottom 8 mayiqala. Then literally you have 3 games remaining ozowadlala. Ngangitshela ngeNedbank ukuthi Nedbank has got 5 games. They've got 5 games, yes, but iChiefs yakhumbula idliwa kwiNedbank ka2019 yini, yadlala no Tornado, yadlala no Magic FC, yadlala TS Galaxy esehlathini yadliwa. So those 3 games they played against teams from lower tiers. Bedlala ama-team akwi 3rd division, ama-team akwi 2nd tier of ilokhuzana i-South African football. Bese ngitshela ukuthi i-MTN 8 is easier than that. So they literally had 2 games, the Chiefs. Nakhona they played against Cape Town City, I think kuma quarterfinals, and then Chippa kuma semi-finals or something like that. But Chippa the Cape Town City badlala nabo kuphela bo2. Those were the 2 games and they won them, and they lost to iThibeka akahledi bafethu. Come on, use the common sense. MTN 8 ngisho ngathi uyibuka kanjalo nje ukuthi usuke usuqualifyile bese sithi funa ukubona ubest ke kulama team lana asuke edlala awu 8. Yeah, into ecasula abantu ukuthi iPirates ku-MTN 8 yashayana. So uqonda ukungitshela against iSundowns, that's an easy game, noma against iChiefs lehlale siyitempula nje ku-MTN 8, it's an easy game esayitempula iSundowns. Ngenduku cha unganaki lokho ukuthi skipper sakamanje lokho inkosi yempuphu mohlale kuruleni nje, ekuruleni nje iyonkana nansi impuphu ofana uyidle no popcorn no flour no bontshisi istambu, yonke into nje uyithola la, yabo. Anyway, silapha ke iSundowns yake yasidla kodwa ku-MTN 8 okhona kwiCup, ngoba ngikhumbula isidla 2021 kusekhona uKapinga kuSundowns kwiNedbank, yasidla 2008 kushona uManyathelo. Amanyathelo gift le Remo ekade shona le insuku ensadlana kwi-final ye-MTN 8 SA Super 8. MTN 8 lasiyitempula ngenduku nje, khumbula siyitempula ngomanyisa nje esecenter. I-first leg sasikade sidlale nayo sidle ngo-3-2 kuKorondulula. Hey madoda, siyitempula nangomboyane iSundowns uMakhaphu, yeza sayitempula short egroundini, siyitempula iSundowns, siyitempula short, siyitempula ngoNdoro noMakola, siyitempula ngoErasmus benoma Joro kuzekhala uPitso ekhala inyembezi, sayitempula ngoSalenge in a 2-legged encounter ngo-3-0 ePeter Mkaba, siyitempula ngosibilibili ngo-1-1, siyitempula ngama-penalty uChain ebambonke ama-penalty eMoses Mapida, siyazitempulela nje. Siyitempula ngenduku nje Sundowns. Mina from 2008 till now I think sisidle ka-2. Every other game we play siyabatempula nje. And the Pirates angikhumbuli mina iluser a two-legged encounter in South African football since idliwe i-Super Sport. I think uBenny McCarthy wathole red card ebamba Franklin Kale kanje bebexabana kwi-altercation ombamba kanje wamuthi emuthi hey urefa amnike red card uBenny McCarthy. It must have been 2012 or 2011 if I'm not mistaken. Since then iPirates mazophinda nayo kawu2 shothi ukudlala neChiefs kawu2 nokudlala neSundowns kawu2 kulula ne. Chiefs siyitempula ngolodge ngelockdown ngo3-0 siphinde ngo2-0 siphinde ngo2-0 ikora ngisho lindamtambo kwiderby. Hayibo siyitempula race iChiefs yagcina ukusitempula ngo1-0 ngo2014 kwakora uMashamayite ngekhanda. Before lokho besivele siyitempula nje ngomanyisa bekora besesenta beshaya lokhune bebhava ngamabhola sayitempula udu kuze kube manje sediyakhala manje nthi MTN 80 lula kahle nina bafethu niyadlala nini cha legama lokutempula lelo omunye umjida watempula ihashi ngemvubu kathe ulitempulile walitempula ligitshelwe ngumfundisi laqhuba la khothi izulu walitempula ligitshelwe ngumfundisi omlungu ngapha ngakithi watempula ihashi esinqeni walithi tempu walitempula nje ngePirates itempula iSundowns walitempula laqhuma la khothi izulu umfundisi wawaphansi hey siyaze tempulela kuloko abathi sekuthi MTN 80 lula sonitempula nina